Hi everybody, welcome to this video. I'm glad you're watching. Today I'm going to explain you something about Canva. Canva is a program that you can use on your computer and on your phone. They have an incredible app as well. And you can use it to design basically anything that you want, from your social media posts to your main documents to an information document for your client, invoices, everything you can think of, you can design in Canva. I'm using this tool already for a while and it's very useful, so I wanted to share with you how it works. So watch with me. So this is Canva home screen. For the people who are already a little bit familiar, I do have a pro account because it has some features that are really helpful. I'm going to explain you later. So it might be that it looks a little bit slightly different than the one that you know. So I will go to the basics. Here on the left, we have recommended for you, all your designs shared with you, your brand kit, your content planner, all your folders and your trash. So to start with recommended for you, there are many templates that you can use. So for example, if you want to make an Instagram post or story or a Facebook post, you just go to social media and you choose the one that you want. And then it automatically pops up in the format that you want. So here you see various templates that you can use. They have literally a lot of stuff. They have marketing documents, they have school documents, they have letters, they have resumes, they have brochures, invoices, everything that you can think of, you can find it here. Also, through the internet, some templates are being offered that you can buy, and they have more pages. For example, I go to all my designs. Here you see all the designs that I have, and I have recently made a brochure about the legal structure in the Dominican Republic, which I made here in Canva. And as you can see, it has more pages. So here you can see it has 8 pages, and when I click the grid view, all the pages appear. So here I can, for example, say, okay, instead of this, I want to put this in the next page, I want to change this around, or I want to go to the last page immediately. You double click and it appears, and if you're done, you just go to home. Okay, then the button shared with you, I don't use it yet because I am the only one for now who's working in Canva. But if you have a team working with you who are making your social media posts and you want to have like the last check, you can share Canva. You can share between accounts, you can share designs, so they can give you access to use their design and you can just enter it and edit it. Then the brand kit is something that comes with the pro version, and it's very handy when you are making designs because it has your logo here saved. It has brand colors that you can choose. Here I deleted, no I don't want. So I can just add a color and I say, okay, I want to add the red color to my brand color. And later, in your designs, I will show you all the colors come up, so you can choose from your brand colors. You don't have to search all the time again for the numbers of the colors that you're using. You just have them saved here and you can use them over and over again to have your designs, to make a nice so your designs are recognizable for everybody because they always have the same colors. Also, same about brand fonts. Here you can edit your brand fonts, you can choose them, you can edit the size of them, so you can play around with how your brand is, how you want your brand to be presented. So with the presets, you can use them in any design. Canva also has a content planner, which I use especially for Facebook and Pinterest. Because Instagram is not connected automatically with Canva, You cannot post automatically in Instagram from Canva. And also it's not really recommendable to post automatically on Instagram because it like takes away the personal touch. But on Pinterest or Facebook or LinkedIn, I use it for LinkedIn as well, you can choose plus. You can either choose a design from your recent design, or you can create one. And then you can choose which one you want to create. For example, I want to create a Facebook post. Then you can say, okay, let's do this one. I'm just changing the color around. You see here appear my brand colors. So I just choose a brand color. And then I choose schedule. And I will choose where it appears, either in my LinkedIn, my Facebook, or my Pinterest. And I schedule the time. And this design will be automatically posted on the chosen social media account at the date that I have chosen it to post. So that's a content planner, which is very, very handy as well. Then you can make folders. For example, I made some folders for every project that I'm working on. So I have my main documents, I have my legal documents, and I have some folders for some projects that I'm working on. So you can find, it's easy to find your designs. Okay, so now let's start and let's create a design. To create a new one, I go here to the up right and I click create design. I want to make an Instagram story, so Canva is automatically generating the right size for my Instagram story. Alright, so I want the background to be one of my brand colors, and I want to add a picture. I can either choose from a set of stock pictures that are in Canva. So for example, I choose for a handshake. All right, so I insert that one here, or I can add a more personal picture. So I go here and I add one of my personal uploads. You can also choose a lot of elements that are here. For example, this one is funny. It has an animation, so we'll edit it here. So you have a lot of options to choose from. Like I say again, I have the pro version of Canvas, so I have access to all the stock pictures and all the elements that appear in the program. So I choose to pay $10 a month for this feature because I think it's really worth it. I want to add some text. You also have a lot of preset text that you can use with colors and fonts, but you can also add your own here. And I say it's the weekend, and I can add the size and the color. I can make a brand color. So that's a little bit of explanation on how to make a new design. Sorry, I go to styles, and here I can make the post, adjust the post to my brand colors, or I can choose another style that I want to use, and automatically the post changes to one of the styles that I choose. So, alright, then I'm going to download it in MP4 video. If I have a plain picture, so here for example you see it's animated. If I wanna not animate it, I put none. Sorry, I think I just have to delete this. So no animation. I put download. I can also, if I just want to use the text It doesn't work maybe that well with Instagram stories, but if I want to use it in one of my designs for my website, for example, I can choose to have a transparent background. And also I can choose to compress a file, so it will be lower quality, but it will also be smaller. So for example, to use it on your website, it will be very useful because your website will not be overcharged. And then I download it, and Canva is going to prepare my design, and then it appears in downloads and you can use it. So that's how it works. Another cool feature, for example, I've just created an Instagram story, but I want to use it also on my Facebook, or I want an Instagram post. So I go to resize and I choose Instagram post, and I choose resize or copy and resize if I want to keep the other one, and then it's going to be automatically resized to the other post. I can adjust it a little bit. Maybe I want to make the picture another style, or maybe I want to move the text around a bit. But at least you don't have to start all over again, so you can resize it in any size that you would like. So that's really that's also like a really cool feature of Canva. So that's what I wanted to explain you for today. So like I said, as well, the app as the computer version are very handy to use, so I would recommend to install both. Actually, the computer, the desktop version, you don't have to install it. You can just go to canva.com, create your account, and start designing. So good luck with that, and let me know if you have any questions.